Okay, in this problem, we have an inscribed triangle within a circle. So it's inscribed by a circle. So what it's asking here is, what is the measure of DBC? Okay, so DBC. So we have to find this angle right here. Okay, so doing that, we have to understand a couple definitions of an inscribed triangle. And so what we have here, this DC would be a chord, BC would also be a chord, but then what do you have there when this isn't a chord because it goes through the actual radius? So what would we call that? That's a diameter. So what that tells us is, with a diameter, we know from here to here, or from here to here, is 180. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in right there. Okay, so now there's a couple things we have to remember. I'm going to write them down here. So we got an inscribed angle equals 1/2, this is one of our theorems or formulas, times intercepted arc. Okay, so basically what that says is that this angle right here, CDB, is half the arc. This right here is 48, so half of that would be 24. So this, I'm just finding extra things here. So that's 24 degrees there. So then just the opposite is also true here. You have the intercepted angle, or I'm sorry, arc, sorry about that, equals 2 times the inscribed angle. So what that says is that if this is 24, then this arc right here is 48. Okay, so now let's just take a look and let's try to solve this from information that we have. So we're trying to find DBC here. Well, so we're dealing with this and this arc right here. Well, now we know that a circle all the way around is 360 degrees. Okay, we have two parts of it. So then if I minus 48 and then minus 180, let's go ahead and do that on the calculator. Let me get my calculator here. Okay, so we have our calculator. So let's go 360 minus 48 minus 180 equals, gives us 132. So this arc right here is 132. Now, according to this right here, an inscribed angle is half the intercepted arc. So half of 132 then, if we divide that, we're going to get 2 would be, what would it be, 66 degrees. So then the answer to this, the measure of angle DBC would equal 66 degrees.